everyone, and welcome to day 2 of 30 Days of Night. If you don't know, 30 Days of Night is a project that I'm doing where I'm shooting one roll of film every day for 30 days. So far today, my internet's down. It's been down for 12 hours since last night, so I haven't even been able to upload the first video yet. However, I'm moving forward, I'm doing all the editing, they're ready to go as soon as my internet's back up. This morning I gave you guys the option between a Canon A2E and a disposable camera. Nobody replied, so I'm going to make an executive decision. Okay. Technically new in box, even though it's expired. 24 plus 3. Because you can't say 27. Expiry date. It's funny, there's no expiry date on here. It's not whited out by the camera. It's just not there. But it says on here, June 2002. Sounds healthy. ISO 400, C41 development. Let's take this thing out and see what I can do with it. Okay, I'm near the Center Street Bridge armed with just a disposable camera, so I'm going to be focusing entirely on composition today. Definitely didn't anticipate how hot it would be. Should have worn sunscreen. I'm gonna have to guess that this is about 35mm based on the viewfinder, but I can't be certain. Okay, I'm just leaving Chinatown now. I am cooking. I wouldn't be surprised if I was cherry red tomorrow. I got about 6 shots left. Okay, officially out of shape. Man, oh man. I probably look like it's too bright for me to see the screen. Why didn't I bring that hat? Why didn't I bring a hat? Okay. Okay, the film is in the tank and ready to be developed. Actually, this wasn't as big of a pain in the butt as I thought it would be getting it out. There's a bunch of electrical tape holding it together, and then it was easy to pry apart after that. This is the canister it was in. Doesn't give any indication what kind of film. Before I start though, I'm going to have to whip up a new batch of chems. I know it might be hard to see, but there are images on these negatives. This is a common issue with expired film, especially when it's more than 10 years old. The negatives actually turned out better than I had expected. If you look at the construction of this thing, this is the side where the film was being fed from. And it fed into this canister here. But the film would have just been loose. I looked all around. I took this apart in the dark, but I looked all around. There was nothing in here. Okay, here are the highlights from today's photos. This is hands down my favorite photo of the day. If I'm being honest with myself, it's the only good photo on the entire roll. I'd like to say I did the lens flare on purpose, but no. Oh man, I don't think I've ever been this nervous to develop a roll of film before.